come almost to the end of the program for the coronation of the Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog. And now I am about to announce the top 3 finalists, and we will know on who will be the next Miss Teen Tourism 2009 as we celebrate the 5th Dahunog sa Dipolog. By the way, happy Fiesta Dipolog City. I hope I will receive an invitation tomorrow for the Fiesta. We have now the result. Alright, so while waiting for the official result, may we request the members of the Board of Judges to please come up on stage, as may we also give you a token of appreciation. Appreciation is hereby awarded to Dr. Emily B. Yanga, Chair Regional Director of Zamboanga Peninsula, in grateful recognition of her unselfish cooperation and effort to the city government of Dipolog by generously sharing her time, effort, knowledge, and wisdom as one of the members of the Board of Judges of the Search for Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog 2009 in celebration of the 5th Dahunog sa Dipolog, given the 6th day of October in the year of our Lord 2009 at the city of Dipolog, Philippines. This plaque of appreciation is also awarded to the Honorable Cedric O. Ruiz in grateful recognition of his unselfish cooperation and support to the city government of Dipolog by generously sharing his time, effort, knowledge, and wisdom as one of the members of the Board of Judges of the Search for Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog 2009 in celebration of the 5th Dahunog sa Dipolog, given the 6th day of October 2009 at Dipolog City, Philippines, signed Honorable Evelyn Tanguy. Thank you so much. How about a big round of applause for our judges? Thank you so much. And now may we have the result. Go. I will first be calling on this year's Miss Teen Travel Adventure Dipolog. May I also ask the second runner-up of Miss Teen Tourism 2008 from St. Mary's Academy, Miss Hannah May Buena, together with Mr. Christian Luther Pavia, to award the token, bouquet, and sash for the Miss Travel Adventure Dipolog 2009. Again, good luck to our ladies and congratulations. Miss Teen Travel Adventure Dipolog 2009. Congratulations to candidate number 1.
Cuba Memorial Agritech Science High School.
First runner-up, ladies and gentlemen, for Miss Teen Ecotourism Dipolog 2009, or the first runner-up of this year's competition. May I request our first runner-up from DCIT, Ms. Jovenlu Ubay, together with Dr. Emily Yanga, to award the trophy, sash, and bouquet for the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, first runner-up. Congratulations to candidate number. That's candidate number 5. Thank you very much, Dr. Amaluyanga. And thank you very much, Miss Dubai. And now finally, ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog 2009 is no other than candidate number. Medyo pagkatapos po ng event, pause na po ang boses. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number. It's candidate number. Our winner for the Miss Teen Tourism will receive 7,000 pesos. And this is candidate number 6 from the Bonifacio College. And to award the winner for the Miss Teen Tourism 2009 is the Honorable Judge Cedric Ruiz, together with the Miss Teen Tourism 2008 winner, Miss Charlene Harrow of the Andres Bonifacio College, and the Honorable Mayor of the City of Dipolog, Honorable Evelyn Tanguy. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our winners for the Miss Teen Tourism Dipolog 2009. This has been your host, Joshua Amado Bicoy. Happy Fiesta Dipolog and good evening.